It is indeed an honor for me standing here to welcome all of you to this much awaited day when we celebrate our school's 31st annual variety program with pomp and show. On behalf of Vidyaniketan High School, I, Ms. Sunita, would like to welcome you all, the dignitaries, parents, teachers, and blooming birds to this magnificent day. Deepak, Jyoti or Jyot, which represents Agni. The lightning of lamp removes darkness, ignorance, unhappiness, spreading the Almighty's grace and divine energy in the surrounding. Light also symbolizes abundance, prosperity, and knowledge. Now, I would like to request our chief guest and all the dignitaries to come forward and light the lamp.
साजतवं रागतवं आसतवं गङ्गकरी religions and race, and Vidyaniketan unity we embrace. A vision for a brighter future very short. A school doesn't short, a motto to secure. A vision for a brighter future very short. A school doesn't short, a motto to secure. We are in your hands, Lord, mold us today. Lead us to darkness, we may not go astray. We are in your hands, Lord, mold us today. Lead us to darkness, we may not go astray. High upon the hilltop, away from the crowd, Lyser and Ma matter, oh we are very proud. High upon the hilltop, away from the crowd, Lyser and Ma matter, oh we are very proud.
Now we would like to call upon all our chief guests and all our dignitaries who are present here onto the dais. Before we start with it, I very humbly and with lots of pleasure request Mr. Anandrao Biramne, our beloved uncle, the founder of Biramne Education Foundation, who planted a small sapling of his vision, which has now grown into a massive, strong network of education in Panchgani. So I request you to please come up on the stage. She's not present here right now, but we know that her blessings are with us. Our beloved auntie, who has been a constant support to uncle to fulfill his dreams wherever he went. His vision for a brighter future. On this very special day, our memories also go to our beloved force and source of information, inspiration with a strong vision. Honorable Suresh Biramne is with one and all of us. He always believed that education is a social progress of growth. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to our Honorable Mahesh Biramne sir, the administrator of Vidyaniketan High School, who has taken great effort to provide students a strong foundation comprised of knowledge and life skill, which are the primary tools for our success in life. Next, not the least, a very warm welcome to our Mrs. Swati Mahesh Biramne, the director of our Vidyaniketan High School, who manages to provide an all-round development of the school. She's a very dedicated lady who always strives for the progress of each and every student personally. And most important, the progress of this very institution, that is Vidyaniketan. She faces lots of challenge, but bold and strong. Her thoughts are very clear. Smooth seas do not make skillful sailors. Accept challenges so that you feel the happiness of victory. I also welcome Atharva sir and Anandita ma'am on stage. So now I thank the entire the Biramne family for being such a guiding light for this institution. I request now Atharva sir to kindly come forward and say a few words on the working and achievement of our school. But before that, we would like to present a token of our love to all the members over here. Let's hear it for them, ladies and gentlemen.
It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all to the annual variety program of Vidyaniketan High School, a celebration of talent, hard work, art, culture and growth. First and foremost, I extend my warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest and respected chairman, Mr. Anandra Biramne. Sir, your presence today is not just an honor but also a source of great inspiration for all of us. Thank you so much for taking your time with us. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the parents and guardians who have joined us this morning. Your presence shows your love, encouragement, and pride you have for our children. And I assure you that they have been waiting excitedly to perform in front of you. At Vidyaniketan High School, we believe that education is not limited to textbooks and exams. While academic excellence is our priority, our focus is on overall development of each and every child. We strive to nurture not just bright students but good human beings, individuals who are responsible, respectful, confident, and kind. Our teachers, staff work closely with each and every student to understand their individual needs, strengths, and challenges. We believe every child is unique and therefore our approach is personal and inclusive. Whether it's the classroom or the sports field or during extracurricular activities, we ensure what every child is encouraged to grow in every aspect. A strong foundation in moral values and physical fitness is just as important as academic knowledge. Through regular value-based lessons, sessions, physical education, yoga, co-curricular programs, we help the students develop discipline, empathy, teamwork, resilience. These qualities are what shape character and prepare them for life beyond school. What makes this all worthwhile is the incredible feedback we receive from you. Our dear parents, many of you have shared how your child has shown positive changes in their behavior, communication, and confidence. Some have also mentioned how their children speak more politely, express themselves more clearly in writing, or how they have become more responsible at home. These words mean the world to us because they show that we are moving in the right direction. Every child here is on a journey and we are honored to be walking beside them, guiding them, supporting them, and see them grow. Today's program is a reflection of that journey. It showcases of their talent, teamwork, and dedication. Behind every performance is not just practice and preparation, but also courage, enthusiasm, and joy. So as we begin this wonderful morning, I urge you to cheer loudly, smile proudly, and enjoy every moment. Let us celebrate our children for what they are and what they are going to become. Thank you once again for being here. Let us enjoy the show now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we will have prize distribution ceremony of Vidyaniketan High School, a school that truly believes in all-round development. At Vidyaniketan, education goes beyond textbook. Our students have shined not only in academics but also in co-curriculum and extracurriculum fields, a true reflection of holistic growth. Let's begin by applauding our language staff. At Vidyaniketan, we promote linguistic diversity with foreign languages like French and German. And our students have made us proud by winning at national and district levels. So first, Ms. Vishwanshi Bhayani stood first at the national level in French language. Third, Vishwanshi Bhayani. Yash Khude made this mark by securing first position in district in French language. In German language, Ms. Tahrima Ansari stood first in district. Now I request Mahesh sir, please come forward and honor our student. Miss Tazmeen Ansari, Mahesh sir, please honor. Thank you, sir. Okay. An essay competition was organized by the Panchani Police Department. We are proud to share that Miss Naisha Jain won first place in the patriotic event. And I request our dear Swati ma'am, please come forward and learning and awareness go hand in hand. On Snake Day, an inter-school competition was conducted to raise awareness about reptiles and their role in our ecosystem. In this event, Miss Saima Fatimat and Miss Siddhishka Gaikwad secured second position. Please welcome them. I request Anandita ma'am, please come forward and honor them. Siddhishka. Of immense pride to share that two of our shining stars were specially honored by the Panchgani Police Department. Miss Vishwanshi Bhayani for standing first in nation in French language and Miss Saima Fatima for excelling in snake in the weightlifting category. I request Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Each event is a testament to the hard work of our student and the dedication of our teachers and the support of our parents. At Vidya Niketan High School, we don't just teach, we inspire. So let's give a big round of applause to all our achievers today. And may this continue to reach greater heights in the future too. Thank you all.
Good morning to one and all. A very warm welcome to our honorable chief guest, all the dignitaries, respected principal, teachers, parents, and all our dear students.
Today is not just another day. It's a celebration of creativity, culture, confidence, and charisma. Welcome to annual variety program of Vidya Niketan High School 2025.
The stage is set, the lights are on, and the excitement is sky high. From tiny twinkles to dazzling diamonds, today every student will shine.
With every dance step and every note of music, we will witness emotions from traditional to modern, from myth to grand master.
Let's start with the most adorable performers of the day. Their innocence will melt your hearts and their energy will light up this morning.
Our tiny trolls of Standard 1 with Chum Chum Sitar Vargi. Please put your hands together for the little star that shines just like sapphire, pure, precious, and full of sparkle.
Color and fracture light, you can't help but shine. And I know that you carry the world on your back. And look at you tonight. The lights, your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. So everybody, you're pushing on me. Don't you bring your body, I can do this all week. We dance until the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body. Everybody, you're pushing on me. Don't you bring your body, I can do this all week. We dance until the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body. Look what we found, karma reached out into our hearts and pull us to our feet now. You know the truth is, we can dissipate anywhere as long as I got you there. When the sun dies, till the day shines. When I'm with you, there's not enough time. You are my spring flower, watching you bloom wild. We are around, but I can only see the lights. Your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. So everybody, got you pushing on me. Don't you bend your body, I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body. Everybody, got you pushing on me. Don't you bend your body, I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body. Chumma chumma kiss it, daddy, body. Everybody pushing on me. Don't you bring your body, I can do this all week. We dance until the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma 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 kiss it, daddy, body. Everybody pushing on me. Don't you bring your body, I can do this all week. We dance until the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep.
Wow, that was just awesome.
The little feet, sparkling costumes, and $1,000,000 smiles stole our heart away. A round of applause for our shiny star from Standard World. From fire to festive, let's now head to Gujarat.
Our Standard 4 and 5 girls bringing you Horida, a song that's a celebration of life, color, and culture.
Garba, grace, and glitter. Get ready for some festive fun. Let's welcome them on stage.
झूमे गोरी घूमे गोरी चली कहाँ चोरी चोरी हवा से है बंधी डोरी झूमे गोरी घूमे गोरी चली कहाँ चोरी चोरी हवा से है बंधी डोरी
Every twirl and step was full of joy. Truly, Dolida rocked the stage. Great job, girls. You brought Gujarat live on this stage. Was childhood without mischief and madness?
Yes, these are the best days of our life, and to show this, here comes our standard 3 with their Matargashti and Tukur Tukur, representing curiosity, freedom, and joyful discovery.
Let's welcome them on stage.
You are your children, these are your kids. If you are not going to clap for them and cheer them, they will not perform well over here. And please, I request you to maintain silence.
मटर गश्ती खुली सड़क में पगड़ी तड़क भड़क में ओले गिरे सुलगते से सड़क में छुरी न थी बगल में आया ही न अकल में कि भागे हम या भीगे हम मकड़ में तो सोचा फिर गीला हुआ है जो सुखाना हो चाहे जनाना या मर्दाना हो का नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा वही मुझे पासा तेरी ऐसी जिंदगी का नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा वही मुझे पासा चिरकुट जिंदगी you know तू ही है वो जिससे खेला था मैं खो खेला खो तू है लैला श्री सोनी जूलियट मुझको ढूंढा ना जंगल में लगा वो सब मैं हूँ ना मेरा ज़माना हो नहीं सनाना न मर्दाना हो पकड़ना का नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा गई मुझे फांसा चिरकुट जिंदगी जश्नबाजी की शाम है जश्नबाजी की शाम है क्रिकेट ताल पे ठुमके लगा जिंदगी है एक लतीफा दिलवालों का दिल खलीफा मारे मौके पे चौका ये तफरी करे आओ तुम भी ले लो मजा
of Standard 3. Let's give them a big hand. Next, we have something truly heartwarming, a song full of hope and dreams.
Yes, dreams are not just wishes, they are the seed of tomorrow's reality.
And today, our talented students from Standard 9 are here to sing the beautiful and timeless song, I Have a Dream by ABBA.
This song reminds us to believe in ourselves, to keep moving forward, and to never stop dreaming, no matter what.
So, let's sit back, relax, and let the magic of music take us on a journey of hope and imagination.
Was full of life and positivity.
We hope that just like the lyrics says, I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. We all find the strength to believe in good around us.
Now brace yourself.
With swag that says, पुष्पा नाम सुन के flower समझ गया, fire है. Our standard 4 and 5th boys are ready to set the stage on fire.
Inspired by the blockbuster South Indian style, their moves are full of attitude, energy and pure entertainment.
She go outside. Sorry. She go outside. Sorry. दम है तो रोक के बता शेखावत. रोक लिया तो छोड़ देगा my syndicate. दम है तो रोक के बता शेखावत. रोक लिया तो छोड़ देगा my syndicate. दम है तो रोक के बता शेखावत. रोक लिया तो छोड़ देगा my syndicate. हे गाणे सगळे दम है तो अरे गाणं ऐकलं नाही काय? उठाएगा कुल्हाड़ी गमाएगा दिहाड़ी आयुष्य मत करेगा मैं आपकी जिंदगी मजदूरी मैं तो रोक के बता शेखा
steps, the attitude, the style, total mass performance.
They weren't dancing, they were setting the stage ablaze.
Pushpa jhukega nahi, and neither did our boys. Superb!
Coming up next is a vibrant and energetic Bollywood dance performed by the talented boys of Standard 10. Inspired by none other than our Maryada Purushottam, Lord Sri Ram.
This act is not just about dance, it's about strength, valor, a unique style of Ram Ji. That walk, that aura, that attitude.
So without further ado, let's put our hands together, tap our feet and welcome the rocking boys of Standard 10 as they present Ram Ji Ki Chal Dekho.
राम जी की चाल देखो, आंखों की मचाल देखो, करे ये धमाल देखो, अरे दिल को तुम संभाल देखो, अरे राम जी की चाल देखो, आंखों की मचाल देखो, करे ये धमाल देखो, अरे दिल को तुम संभाल देखो, अरे चाल देखो, ढाल देखो, रगों में उबाल देखो, 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 देखो।
That was Josh. That was Bollywood with a divine twist. The boys of Standard 10 truly brought Ramji's child alive on stage, full of swag and power. Give them another huge round of applause, everyone. Many a times we feel totally lost, but now it's a time to take break from worry and stress and remind ourselves the golden mantra of all is well. So proof our point here comes. We have our standard to perform to show us that even when lives get tough, a little positivity, a little dance, a lot of smile can make everything better. Dancing merrily on all is well.
out of control होठों को करके गोल होठों को करके गोल सीटे पर जाके बोल लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होठों को करके गोल होठों को करके गोल सीटे पर जाके बोल मुर्गी का जाने अंडे का क्या होगा लाइफ में किया तवे पे फ्राई होगा कोई बताए अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा होठ घुमाओ सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया
बंद तो डब्बा गुल बंद दरवाजे खोल रे हो जा बिंदास बोल रे मैं भी हूँ तू भी है तो मैं भी तू भी हम सब मिलके बम चिक बम 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 बम
The message was loud and clear. No matter what life throws at you, face it with a smile. Truly said, when music plays and the heart beats in rhythm, everything starts getting well. Let's clap loudly for our happy hearts of Standard 2. Now, welcome our Standard girls with Barsore Mega Tal. and each step spoke volumes. Time to connect with our roots through folk dance. The Katina Gongada Dhangar dance, performed by a standard 6, brings alive the earthy beauty of Maharashtra's tribal traditions. It's more than performance, it's a cultural heartbeat. Rhythmic and real. What a tribute to our folk heritage. They dance not just with their feet, but with their spirit and soul. Well done, Standard 6.
Time for some swag and style.
Here come our Desi boys from Standard 9 with confidence in their stride and charm in every move.
Full on Bollywood vibes and coming.
Inna sona, inna cool, munda, inna wonderful, inna
They didn't just perform, they owned the stage.
Truly, Daisy and Dashin, great job Standard boys for your rocking performance.
Now we have a song that's full of light, joy and inspiration. Our lovely little stars from Standard 5 are here to perform the cheerful and meaningful song, This Little Guiding Light of Mine.
This song is about spreading love, kindness and light wherever we go, no matter how small we are.
Yes, just like a candle lights up the dark, each one of us can make a difference in the world.
So let's welcome our bright and shining student of Standard 5 as they sing with joy and confidence.
A big round of applause for them, please.
This little guiding light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. This little guiding light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. This little guiding light of mine, I'm going to let it shine all the time. Let it shine. Hiding under a bush, oh no, I'm going to let it shine. Hiding under a bush, oh no, I'm going to let it shine. Hiding under a bush, oh no, I'm going to let it shine all the time. Let it shine. Take this little light round the world, I'm going to let it shine. Take this little light round the world, I'm going to let it shine. Take this little light round the world, I'm going to let it shine all the time. Let it shine. Make my little light burn for thee. I'm going to let it shine. Make my little light burn for thee. I'm going to let it shine. Make my little light burn for thee. I'm going to let it shine all the time. Let it shine. Let it shine.
A little light, a small good deed, or a kind word can brighten someone's day.
Let's all promise to keep our little light shining at home, in school and everywhere we go.
Thank you, Standard 5th, for this sweet reminder through your wonderful performance. We are in the 21st century where girls have always shown courage, identity, and strength of Indian womanhood. Thanks to our parents who have given this identity that girls are not less in anything.
Presenting Mission Sindoor, a patriotic and emotional tribute by the Standard 9 girls.
Watch as they embody study, grace and write in one breathtaking performance.
क्या नाम है तेरा? विजय नारवाल। तुझे हम नहीं मारेंगे। तुझे जीते हुए हर रोज मरता देख बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा। अब जा और अपने सियासी लोगों से बोल कि किसने तेरा ये हाल किया।
शब्दों में कहना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने ये हमला किया है उन आतंकियों को और इस हमले की साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी। अब आतंकियों की बची खुची जमीन को भी मिट्टी में मिलाने का समय आ गया है।
मैं कर्नल सोफिया कुरैशी और मेरे साथ विंग कमांडर व्योमिका सिंह भारतीय सशस्त्र बलों द्वारा अंजाम दिए गए ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पहलगाम में हुए विभत्स आतंकवादी हमले के शिकार मासूम नागरिकों व उनके परिवारों को न्याय देने के लिए लॉन्च किया गया था। इस कार्रवाई में 9 टेररिस्ट कैंप्स को टारगेट किया गया और पूरी तरह से इसे बर्बाद किया गया।
A tribute to every woman who wears sindoor with pride and purpose.
Bravo Standard 9 for such a spectacular heart-touching performance.
Dear audience, we now take you back in time to an era where dharma, devotion and duty shaped the path of righteousness.
A tale passed on through generation, a story of an ideal son, a devoted brother, a loving husband, and just a king. Maryada Purushottam, Lord Shri Ram.
Presented by the talented students of Standard 8, we now bring to life the Ramayana theme, a glimpse into one of India's greatest epics.
A timeless tale of Dharma.
ये कहानी है मेरे प्रभु श्री राम की, युग युगाओं तक से जीवित और जागृत ये कहानी है रामायण की। महाराज दशरथ के बातों ने बदली श्री राम की जिंदगी। शुरू हुआ उनका 14 साल का वनवास।
आर्य, क्या आप इस वृक्ष को मेरे लिए पकड़ कर ला सकते हो?
अवश्य प्रिय।
लक्ष्मण, मेरे कारण श्री राम इतने घोर संकट में पड़ गए हैं। तुम जाकर उनकी सहायता करो।
चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए भाभी माँ, आप इस लक्ष्मण रेखा को पार नहीं करोगे, मुझे वचन दीजिए।
शांति शांति शांति।
दिव्य शक्ति का भेद करता हूँ, शिव भक्ति जो करता हूँ, तीनों के मुट्ठी में सब पर राज मैं करता हूँ।
ज्वल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलं विलम्बिताम्बुजङ्ग तुङ्गमालिका निनादवट्टमर्वयच्चकार चण्डताण्डवर्तन् पुनः शिव शिवं चकाण्डविकल ज्वल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलं विलम्बिताम्बुजङ्ग तुङ्गमालिका निनादवट्टमर्वयच्चकार चण्डताण्डवर्तन् पुनः शिव शिवं। जिसका कोई अंत नहीं, पवन पुत्र हनुमान। श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज
विद्या दे मोही हर हुकले सिल्विका ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती लोक उजागर जय ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती लोक उजागर धूत अतुलित बल धामा पुत्र पवन सुत नामा वीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती लोक उजागर जय ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती लोक उजागर
तब तक प्रतीक्षा करेगी जब तक उनके प्रभु उन्हें लेने नहीं आ जाते।
एक मैं एक ईमान है दोनों तुझ पे कुर्बान है एक
शुरू हुआ संसार का सबसे बड़ा
जो उठेगा धड़ से कटेगा कहाँ पे छिपेगा कहाँ पे बचेगा
मुझे क्षमा कर दो।
To the golden land of Lanka. What a magnificent journey we just witnessed.
A huge round of applause for our young performers and the teacher behind the stunning performance.
Our Standard 7 boys pay tribute to the great warrior king whose legacy still inspires crews around the world.
This isn't just a dance, it's a salute to his valor and leadership.
ती टाक नव्याने जाग पेटू दे आग मराठी
What a magnificent! They didn't just dance, they invoked the history.
With every beat, we could hear the roar of Maratha Empire. A salute to our brave boys of Standard 7. When two cultures meet, rhythms blend and magic happens.
Our Standard 6 and 7 girls bringing two powerful dance forms, Marathi energy and South Indian energy.
This is unity, diversity on the dance floor. Let's cheer for them.
రాజమండ్రి రాగమంజరి మాయమ్మ పేరు తలవనోడు లేరు మేసిరి కళాకారుల ఫ్యామిలీ మరి ఏ గచ్చ కలితే తెరపోదు వింటు రాత్రి
तुझी नजर एक नंबर तुझे कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते घेते एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते घेते
was marked for their creativity and energy.
From dole to drum, they danced across the stage and stole our hearts away. And with that magnificent performance, we come to end of this unforgettable journey of rhythm, culture and creativity.
Each performance today wasn't just a dance, it's a celebration of talent, teamwork and tradition.
We thank each and every student who put their heart and soul to make this program a success.
And now, to formally express our gratitude, we invite Ms. Sapna to deliver the vote of thanks.
To the close of this wonderful evening, filled with talent, creativity and joy, it is my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of the entire organizing team. First and foremost, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest and all our members of management who graced this occasion with their presence and encouraging words. Your support means a lot to us. To our talented students and performers, what an amazing showcase of skills and spirit. Your hard work, dedication and enthusiasm truly lit up the stage tonight. A big thank you to our teachers, mentors and coordinators who spent countless hours guiding and preparing the participants. Your efforts behind the scenes have made this day a grand success. We are also deeply thankful to the technical team, volunteers and support staff without whom this event wouldn't have run so smoothly. To our wonderful parents and audience, your presence and encouragement make all the difference. Thank you for being here to cheer the children and celebrate with us. As we wrap up, let us also take a moment to look forward to the upcoming Diwali festival. May this festival of lights bring happiness, prosperity and peace to all your homes. On that bright note, thank you once again for being part of this celebration. Wishing you all a safe, joyful and sparkling Diwali. Thank you.
Come to an end of this wonderful program. I request you to kindly stand for the national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत